This is my patio well shed behind me, and if you watched recent videos of mine, you'll have seen that I built the base, then I built the shed. But you might be wondering, how do I get my lawnmower in and out of the shed? Well, that's all going to change today because we're going to build a ramp for my shed, so I don't need to use these 2x4s to get the lawnmower out. I'm going to make sure that my ramp is as wide as my doors, ideally a little bit wider, so it gives me a little bit of maneuverability to get the lawnmower in here. Don't make a ramp that's narrower than the doors because someone's going to walk out, fall over, and just hurt themselves. So always make it as wide as the doors or wider. So I want to make my ramp 4 feet long, and the only reason I want to do 4 feet long is I can get 2 pieces out of an 8-foot piece of lumber. No reason other than that. So I'm going to dig down a little bit here so I can put some paver base down so I can have the ramp land flush with the ground around here. I'll put some paver base down so that the pressure treated wood, even though it is ground contact, I can put it onto the paver base and it'll give it a nice firm area to land on so it doesn't move too much. First thing we'll do is get our angle coming out. We want this here because the boards that we put on top of this, we want this to come right into the plywood here. We want to get this angle here, so we're going to hold this up against the floor. It's going to give us our angle because it's square with this side, and we can just draw our line down there. That's giving us a nice angle. We have that angle cut. We're just going to line it up like that. That sits flush. I am going to use a ledger to attach this to, but I need that angle like that to transfer across to all the other boards. So we'll just do that and we can cut that. Now our ramp is going to be 6 feet wide, so I've made my ledger board 6 feet wide. Now we want to secure our ramp portions onto this, like that. So before putting the ledger board onto the shed, I'm going to secure these ramps to the ledger board, then I can secure the ledger board to the shed. We can pull this in, and this should go like that. So the bottom, to get a little bit more support, I'm going to put this cross brace on. I can't go too much further this way because it starts to get a little bit low to the ground. You can angle these and slope these, but I don't think you need to. You can run it into there. I've got the paver base down, nice sturdy support for it. And I'm going to use this cross member to make sure the legs are all pointing in the right direction and spread out evenly. Make this next part a little bit easier. I'm going to stand this up and pre-drill or pre-screw a few of the screws we need. Oh, that's heavy. To attach the ledger on. There's going to be someone out there telling me that this support that I put on here should be the other way around. Correct, it should be. This is also a ramp for a shed, and could turn it around, but I don't have enough room with the angle that I'm working with here. And this is just more to keep the space in between the ramps even. Yes, it is giving a little bit of support to this, but these 2x4 should be able to support the lawnmower coming in and out when it's not on there for very long, and it's just a ramp at the end of the day. There's going to be someone out there saying, that support is the wrong way around, second moment of inertia. The centre is around about here. So, how wide this door is, that's where the centre should be. About 22. So, because I think I'm going to expand this door the same way. So, make sure I have enough to come this side, from the centre, about 30, right to there. And if I expand it the other way, it'll be perfect. Actually, no, I have more than 36. Ooh, yeah, that works. So it's going to overhang this side a little bit, and that's okay because I don't know if you've noticed that I have kind of modified the door a little bit. I'm going to modify it on the other side just to give me more room to get in and out with the lawnmower. It's kind of challenging to come across and come out, So I'm just going to expand the door a little bit, and then I'll modify that so I can lock it. And then we're going to go. I'm in the way here. Come this way. It'd be good to have those like helping hands, what they called, the little things for put on doors and things like that. Sixes, and these are 6 feet long, so we can like that and line them all up on this edge here. Basically more than strong enough to support everything coming in and out of this shed. And we now have a ramp to get into our shed. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more DIY videos around the home, make sure you check out this video here next.